Yo, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the style props available to us in this library. So what are style props? Style props are very simple. They equate to the props available to you within each component in Chakra UI. So for example, this box, you can add a couple of props such as M, empty, MR, margin, margin top, margin right, and they all equate to a certain CSS property. For example, M and margin equals margin CSS. For example, P in padding equal to padding, and so they have multiple different ways of writing it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and actually work with a couple of these style props and see how they work. Alright, so the first one, let's go ahead and add a little bit of padding to this edit source app.js text right here. So that's going to work. Either we can give it P or we can give it padding. We have either option, but let's do PR for padding, right? And let's give it like 5,000. And so now we have 5,000 padding, right? And we're not going to see our image at all. Oh, there it is, but there's a lot of padding, right? And so now let's go ahead and do a simple, like, let's just do padding. And let's do like 5. There we go. And let's change the logo a little bit. So if I go into the logo.js file, we have this image component right here. I can give it a background color if I wanted. So all I have to do is give it either background color, or give it BG color, like so. And let's give it something like, let's give it yellow at 800. And there we go, yellow 800, it has a background, and I can light mode, dark mode, light mode, dark mode. You know what, I'm a little offended by this image, and I want to blur it, and this library has a prop to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a filter, and I'll give it auto, and I'm going to give it a blur property, and I'm going to give it, let's do something like small. There we go. Well, you know what, let's do large because I really don't want to see it. Perfect. And so that pretty much covers the style props that are available to you in this library. Every single component in this library has a style prop associated to it. Be sure to check out the documentation for all the other options that you have. You have shadows, you have border lines, you have border radiuses, background color, font style, font weight, all the other things that you need that's associated with CSS. You can add it as a style prop in the components. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.